qualified immunity makes sure that they're never going to get prosecuted. And here's some cases in case you didn't know.
These are just a few cases that demonstrate how bad it has truly gotten. Corbett versus Vickers, 11th Circuit 2019. Qualified immunity granted for officer who, hunting a fugitive, ended up at the wrong house and forced 6 children, including 2 children under the age of 3, to lie on the ground at gunpoint. The officer tried to shoot the family dog but missed and shot a 10-year-old that was lying face down 18 inches away from the officer. The court held that there was no prior case where an officer accidentally shot a child laying on the ground while the officer was aiming at a dog. So the officer got off. Jessup versus City of Fresno, 9th Circuit, 2019. Qualified immunity granted for officers who stole hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash and rare coins from a person while executing a search warrant. The court held that the theft was morally reprehensible, but could find no prior case that addressed these exact specific circumstances. So how were the officers supposed to know that this was a violation of someone's rights? Doe versus Woodard, 10th Circuit, 2019. Qualified immunity granted for social worker who strip searched a preschooler without a warrant and photographed her naked body using a county-issued cell phone. The social worker never told the child's mother about the search, and the mother only learned of the search when the child told her mother that she hoped not to see the social worker because, quote, "I don't like it when she takes all my clothes off." The court could find no prior case with similar facts. Baxter versus Bracey, 6th Circuit, 2018. Qualified immunity granted for officers who sent a police dog to attack a man who had already surrendered and was sitting on the ground with his hands in the air. The court held that a prior case holding it unconstitutional to send a police dog after a person who surrendered by laying on the ground was not sufficiently similar to this case involving a person who surrendered by sitting on the ground with his hands up.